Okay, everybody, so Direct Tools wanted me to check out their new website, so I figured what better way to do that than to go ahead and make a video about it, and let's just roll through the process of how I use it. Now, I'm on an iPhone 11, and that's generally how I purchase most of my tools, and that's what I'm going to be reviewing this on today. So as you can see, the website looks very clean. It looks pretty easy to navigate as well. You have your menu up here. You can go to your products, and then you can see all the products that they sell and the different types. If we want to go back, you have your brands, and that's the brands that they sell right there. And specials. So this is where you want to go if you want to see specials. And they have new arrivals, and they have Gone Wild sale. Now, what I would like to do is let's go to the home screen, and let's go to the We've Gone Wild sale. Let's start scrolling. We have some Rigid. We have, obviously, Ryobi that's here. And if we continue to scroll down, let's just keep going pretty quick. Let's just stop on this one. You can see in the red, you have a color identifier there that's showing that this is a sale. It shows that it's factory reconditioned, and you see the price, and you see the percentage of the normal price to what it is now, which is 51% off. So it's all straightforward. You can do store pickup or ship to home. If we just keep scrolling down through here, we have some that don't have images. Now, here's something to see right here. This is only store pickup, so you're not able to ship from home. I like that that is highlighted. And it's easy to read here, so you have those identifiers here. And if we keep scrolling, I just want everyone to notice that it is continuously updating the list. So it's continuous scrolling. You don't have to go from screen to screen like, page 1 through 5 or whatever it typically is, which typically takes a lot of time from your scrolling, and it just causes a lot more, confusion if you forget where you're at. With this, you can just continue to scroll. Let's go fast. And there it goes. It updates, so you can see how that works. So that's a nice feature, I would say. Let's scroll all the way back up to the top, and I want to sort, right? So let's go from price lowest to highest. So lowest will come up first, and this is pretty nice. So if you're looking for a price point in your purchasing, this is how to do that. But if we look at our filters, you can see that our filters on sale, 264 items. But what if I want to only look through those 264 items? I just want to look for one single brand. Let's go ahead and try to get Ryobi, which has 155 products. We've clicked on it, and okay, so I'm not actually able to hit apply to get that to work. My bottom toolbar is in the way, and every time I scroll it up, it pops down. So that seems to be a feature that I would really like to have. Would save me some time and get right to the point of what I would like to see, but I'm not actually able to do it. So let's get back here, and now we're back to the screen. Now, I've actually already put a few things in my cart, and you can see here it's very clear and concise. It's not the small type of screen that you would typically see here. It's showing me how much I saved, and then I don't have any coupon codes. So let's go ahead and check out. And it's working. So now you have to put in your information either as a guest or create account. So from here, you would just go ahead and put in your information for shipping and for purchases, and you would be good to go. So I have to say that this is a lot more fluid. The optimization of the website, I think it actually has a true mobile feature that you can navigate easily and start to purchase some of those tools. It was a pain before to do it, but now it looks like it's working pretty well. So I hope that this has helped somebody. And Direct Tools, I hope that you appreciate some of this feedback and some of the reviews that I'm trying to get done here. And if you all did enjoy it, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.